Here's the thing about football, it's always evolving, and the 2026 World Cup is bringing in a whole new set of rules aimed at cracking down on one thing: time wasting. Let's get straight into it. The first big change is a 5-second countdown for throw-ins and goal kicks. Referees will now signal it visibly with their hand, and if you take too long, the throw-in gets reversed, or a goal kick turns into a corner for the opposition. Substitutions are also getting a strict time limit. The player leaving the pitch has just 10 seconds to exit at the nearest line, and if they don't, the new player can't come on for at least 60 seconds, leaving their team temporarily short-handed. When it comes to injuries, any outfield player requiring on-field treatment must now stay off the pitch for a full 60 seconds after play resumes, except for goalkeepers, head injuries, and penalty situations, which finally stops players from using medical stoppages as a tactic to break the game's flow. On the disciplinary side, covering your mouth during a confrontation with an opponent is now a straight red card, aimed at preventing players from hiding discriminatory abuse from cameras and officials. Similarly, if any player walks off the pitch in protest against a referee's decision, that's also an automatic red card. VAR is getting expanded powers too. Officials can now review incorrect corner calls before they're taken, overturn clear errors on second yellow cards, review fouls that occurred before set pieces, and fix cases of mistaken identity. Referees will wear body cameras for the first time, giving fans a unique point of view angle, and semi-automated offside technology will speed up decisions with instant 3D player tracking. There's also a mandatory 3-minute hydration break midway through each half to cope with North American heat. And of course, the tournament itself is expanding: 48 teams, 12 groups, and a 32-team knockout bracket, which is the biggest World Cup ever. That's 11 new rules in total, all designed to make the game faster, fairer, and more entertaining. If this breakdown helped you keep up with the changes, drop a like and subscribe to Stickman Explains so you don't miss the next one where we dive deep into the World Cup format itself. See you on the pitch.